Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is Cambridge O Levels Physics 5054. We are working on the solar system, and this is the new topic which has been added into the Cambridge O Levels Physics 5054 course, and this will be tested from the exams from May-June 2023. And in this video, we are going to talk about the planet Earth. So let's start. In the solar system, the third planet from the sun is Earth. So let's first of all talk about the Earth's formation. The solar system was created when the gas cloud left over from a giant supernova explosion started to collapse in on itself and spin. About 4.55 billion years ago, only a vast hot cloud of dust and gas circling a new star, the sun, existed. The Earth probably began when tiny pieces of space debris called planetesimals were pulled together by each other's gravity. As the Earth formed, more space debris kept on smashing into it, adding new material. This debris included ice from the edges of the solar system. About 4.5 billion years ago, a rock the size of Mars crashed into the Earth. The debris joined together to form the moon. The collision that created the moon made the Earth very hot. Radioactive decay heated the Earth even more. For a long time, the surface of the Earth was a mass of erupting volcanoes. Iron and nickel melted and sank to form the core. Lighter materials such as aluminum, oxygen, and silicon floated up and cooled to form the crust. So, as the Earth rotates, it bulges in the middle like a pumpkin. So, if you look at this given photo, so the cloud starts to spin, dust gathers into balls of rock, which then form a small planet. The Earth begins to cool and a hard shell forms. Volcano erupts, releasing gases which help to form its atmosphere. The Earth was made up of one large piece of land, but is now split into 7 continents. So, these are those. The fiery young Earth gradually cooled until water condensed out of its steamy atmosphere to form oceans. Okay, so we have Earth, the third planet out from the sun. The Earth is 149.6 million kilometers away on average. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of 12,756 kilometers and a circumference of 40,075 kilometers at the equator. Along with Mercury, Venus, and Mars, the Earth is one of 4 rocky planets. It is made mostly of rock with a core of iron and nickel. No other planet in the solar system has liquid water on its surface. So Earth is uniquely suitable for life. More than 70% of Earth's surface is underwater. The atmosphere is mainly harmless nitrogen and life-giving oxygen, and it is over about 200 kilometers deep. The oxygen has been made and maintained by plants over billions of years. A magnetic field stretching 60,000 kilometers out into space protects Earth from the sun's radiation. The Earth formed 4.55 billion years ago from clouds of space dust whirling around the young sun. The planet was so hot that it was molten at first. The surface cooled slowly into a hard crust. The Earth's orbit around the sun is 940 million kilometers in length and takes 365.242 days. Although the Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees, it orbits the sun on a level plane, the plane of the ecliptic. The Earth is made up of the same basic material as meteoroids and other rocky planets, mostly iron, which is 35%, oxygen, which is 28%, silicon, which is 17%, magnesium, which is 15%, and nickel, which is 2.7%. So here we have the inner core, the outer core, then we have the mantle, and then we have the crust. Auroras, bright display of shimmering light called auroras appear at night over the north and the south poles. The aurora that appears above the north pole is Aurora Borealis, which known as the northern lights. The aurora that appears above the south pole is Aurora Australis, or the southern lights. Auroras are caused by stream of charged particles from the sun known as the solar wind crashing into the gases of the Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen gas glows yellow-green in color when it is hit low in the atmosphere and orange higher up. Nitrogen gas glows bright red in color when hit normally and bright blue when ionized. A halo of light always exists over each pole, but they are usually too faint to see. They flare up brightly when extra bursts of energy reach the Earth's atmosphere from the sun. So, the northern lights above the Arctic Circle are curtains of bright colors. Auroras only appear at the poles because there are deep cracks in the Earth's magnetic field there. When the solar wind is blowing strongly, auroras are more spectacular. New York and Edinburgh get an average of 10 aurora displays every year. So, this is all about the Earth and its formation and the auroras, which can be seen on the on the North Pole and on the South Pole. I hope that this video will help you. My recommendation to you is that please watch more videos, documentaries from the YouTube on the solar system, and that will help you to master this new concept which has been added into the Cambridge O-Level Physics 5054 syllabus. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good day. God bless you all.